News that we are tracking at the moment. It's been 24 hours. Still, Kolkata is waterlogged. Kolkata's civic mess has now been exposed. The streets of Kolkata are still inundated. Shameless passing of the buck is being done by the mayor. The mayor says cannot do magic to make water disappear. In fact, the LOP in the state of Bengal, Subhendu Adhikari, is now attacking the Mamata Banerjee government. It is Mamata Banerjee who's responsible for waterlogging and for the deaths. The IMD had sent out a warning. Mamata Banerjee did not take precautions. Deaths are because of negligence of the state government. Big statement coming in from the state of West Bengal now. We are seeing it's TMC versus the opposition party in the state of West Bengal, that is the Bharatiya Janata Party. We've got several reactions coming in on the story. Let's listen in.
पानी ऐसा चीज है जो आपको आस्ते आस्ते निकालना पड़ेगा। हम मैजिक तो नहीं कर पाएंगे। ये पानी जो है हमारा पंपिंग स्टेशन चल रहा है। जब हाई टाइड आएगा तब पानी नहीं निकलेगा, फिर लो टाइड जब आएगा तब पानी निकलेगा। हमारा इस बार जो था सवेरे इतना पानी था जो लो टाइड जब था, फिर हाई टाइड आ गया। और हाई टाइड क्या है? ये आया है बान आया। बान माने और बड़ा हाई टाइड वो आया ना, बोट टाइड तो वो आया था। उसलिए काफी पानी जो है रुक गया था उस समय। अभी फिर लो टाइड आ रहा है, तो अभी हमारा पानी जो है आस्ते आस्ते निकलेगा और हमारा पंपिंग स्टेशन सब चल रहा है।
Colleague Anupam is still with me on the story. Anupam, we are seeing it's a tit for tat, but unfortunately those who are stuck in this very bad traffic, stuck in waterlogging, are the local citizens who are now facing massive problems because of this massive waterlogging.
Exactly, people are facing a lot of difficulties, and you know Durga Puja is approaching and a lot of pandals and a lot of activities are stalled at present because of these waters. These waters are not receding as expected. Kolkata Municipal Corporation is trying to drain out the water. It has receded, but not as expected, and people are facing, because it's a weekday and offices are there. People need to go to offices, but they are waiting at the streets to so that water will recede. These are the government places, these are the government offices here, CBI offices here, and this is the condition of the road at present in these areas. You can see water level here in the flooded streets of Kolkata. Traffic surgeons are trying to restore the traffic, but it's pretty difficult here. People have to wait hours to cross minimum 2 kilometers or 3 kilometers. And still there is a chance of the engine of the vehicle being seized by the waterlogged streets. So there are a lot of cars we have seen that have the engines have been seized and people are facing difficulties. क्या हालत?
बहुत खराब हालत है, बहुत खराब हालत है। इतने खराब हालत कोई जीवन में देखा ही नहीं। इतना
नहीं देखा,
वो भी नहीं देखा। ये गवर्नमेंट का फॉल्ट है, बहुत फॉल्ट है। कोई ट्रेन में सब सफा नहीं करते है ना। देखिए क्या हाल हो गया, देखिए ना, मेरा गाड़ी भी दोबारा बंद हो गया। बहुत खराब हो गया, बहुत खराब हो गया, बहुत हालत बहुत खराब है। क्या करे, ऑफिस में जाना है इसीलिए जा रहा है। बहुत खराब है।
The mayor of the Kolkata city, Firhad Hakim, has reacted to the waterlogging that one can witness across the city. Listen in.
So are you trying to tell people in Calcutta and Bengal at large that the drainage system in Calcutta, which is a 300-year-old city, is working fine?
Absolutely. Yes, 100% we have, it is okay that we have, the people should be rest assured that we will have a funfair during Puja if the rain does not come again.
So you're confident that you will be able to put everything back to normalcy?
Yes.
Because the Puja committees are extremely scared right now, given the deluge.
I assure them that the Puja will be, this is the abnormal situation, and within a day or two, the situation will be normal if this doesn't occur again.
Let's also listen in to what Subhendu Adhikari, who's the leader of the opposition in the state of West Bengal, has to say about this inundation of roads.
देखिए, इसके लिए सीधा सीधा ममता बनर्जी का एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन जिम्मेदार है। ये आप देख लीजिए, IMD का जो उनको प्रिकॉशनरी मेजर लेना चाहिए था, ले लिया। कॉशन दिया था प्रॉपरली विद एडवांस, IMD ने दिया, लेकिन ये लोग नहीं किया। जितना लोग का डेथ हुआ है ड्यू टू दिस गवर्नमेंट, 1 करोड़ रुपया CSC, 1 करोड़ रुपया स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, 1 करोड़ रुपया कलकत्ता कॉरपोरेशन देना चाहिए।